Have you ever been in the middle of an important project only to be interrupted by frustrating page reloads? It can really throw off your flow, right? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to manually override Google Optimize redirects to create a smoother user experience. I totally get it. When you're running A/B tests, especially on a single-page application using React and Redux, every second counts. A full-page reload can disrupt the user experience and skew your test results. You're definitely not alone in facing this issue. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, "Can I manually override Google Optimize redirects to avoid external redirects?" They want to ensure that their users have a seamless experience without those annoying reloads. Sound like something you're dealing with? Let's explore this together. So what's the deal with these redirects? When you set up A/B tests in Google Optimize, it often triggers a full-page reload when navigating to a new variant. This can be a real pain, especially in a single-page application where you want everything to feel instantaneous. Let's break down how we can tackle this. And stick around. I have a game-changing tip at the end that will help you implement these changes smoothly and efficiently. To manually override the Google Optimize redirect, the user should first ensure that they have set up their React router correctly. This will allow for seamless navigation without full-page reloads. Next, the user needs to create a custom redirect function. This function will handle the navigation based on the variant selected by Google Optimize, allowing for a smooth transition. After that, the user should integrate this custom redirect function with Google Optimize. This can be done by using the Optimize API to get the variant, and then calling the redirect function. Finally, the user should test the implementation thoroughly. This includes checking that the redirects work as intended without causing full-page reloads. Fun fact, did you know that the first web pages were static and required a full reload every time you clicked a link? We've come a long way since then, and we can make our applications even smoother. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach is to use Google's activation events. This feature helps manage content on dynamic websites and single-page applications without causing a full-page reload. By default, Google Optimize only modifies web page content during the initial load. However, activation events allow you to modify content that appears later, making the user experience smoother. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your user experience in mind when implementing redirects. A smooth transition can significantly improve user engagement and the quality of your A/B test results. And there you have it. You now have the tools to manually override Google Optimize redirects and enhance your user experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into optimizing your A/B tests.